India has its unique culture and tradition which makes it distinct from the whole world. It will be correct to say that India is a land having a culture of cultures that no country of the world has. Despite having so many cultures, traditions, and religions, still people live in peace, harmony, and love, showcasing the unique culture of unity in diversity. So let's start 10 lines on Indian culture. Indian culture is very popular across the world because of its diversity in the fields of art, music, literature, and philosophy. The culture in India varies from place to place within the entire country, as India has a multi ethnic, multilingual, and multicultural society. The traditional Indian rural culture is the true essence of India, as more than 60% population residing in villages. Indian culture is famous for its components like etiquette, manners, civilized communication, rituals, beliefs, and values in the whole world. Indian culture is one of the oldest cultures in the world, evolved around 5000 years ago. It is the most vibrant culture in the world with different festivals, food items, art and crafts, music, dance, performance, etc. The cultural diversity in India reflects the way people follow tradition, custom, beliefs, and rituals on special occasions. Indian culture has been deeply influenced by Persian, Islamic, and Turkish cultures. It is a unique blend of historical tradition and modern Western culture. Indian culture is the soul of the nation and is a way of life for Indians. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.